right now. Yeah. Okay. Albe ajele kununga fenne post jam being a program for le fang soto. Lafta ka introduction ole ke follow be diamula about the educational system on yalonko wole betama kan currently na Gambia. Killing of follow wumu USET because never malo no at the first time kabria for you USET malo mono no USET. Bayo ni famata Gambia maybe ka nyina kudol la wale toldol falende malo. So you said Lam University nyinti Gambia nyina university do mi yalonko wolong GTT IT. Bari kuol mu yalonko akatama je amang keko IT jasol da mal affect wala lecturer. Bari fanang hani students sol mu yalonko wol bi jele I will affect le fanang right now. So lafta ka wo points on le race pour nga jibe kaitandi molla kujmal le bekirin je. Katun ko ngamira ko mayata bakele being a long problem on me along ko lebe tamakan Gambia banko to ngan problem on me along ko involving kaboman sakundala level nyinto kata for community level nyinto kata for council level nyinto mol nyanta kalo ne mune betama kan katun ko niamo banko tata nyato banko la nyato ta woman depend man sakunda da makan wala man depend president or da makan a depend tantol bella individual efforts nyinka beke nyokan kaje ko leta bari ning man sakunda bi jemu ya lonko aka cool no mol male abakala fi mol ya lon mum be kering bo be kol ya la bake le pour banko di mol ya lon problem si fa jumal le be la banko to ngam problem wol ning inyanta ka solve nyame ngano mol ya lonko fanan wolle be you said wolle be collect nyindor ngam fo ngaku jamal jemul ya lonko mol kan sa fe kay tande nako diamo about ntol la certificate sol ntol mol ya lonko ntol lom by 2022 2023 for 2025 be email certificate also to lafta nyini ngaro kala altol album neke kanno all this while alka negotiate no nyadi le alnyanta funtindila no media to le kabring alnyanta tala le journalist ol ya alnyanta tala television ol to alnyanta ka publish le nali all efforts make pour yalla certificate o dialla ima dialla because albitala nyadi le karambongo to ali karang fali graduate nyanta ka certificate dila on that karamo yemunke ima soto sanji saba wala sanji nani be siring imawo certificate soto ite law karango anna fali ibe tala buntole ya fako mole ko ntenga plumbing le karang wala ntemo engineering in this and that you have to present the certificate because ye exam fee le jo ye karambongo le jo karambongo dabe ko le yare ni you set mol ni ma jo ike balele fango ko exam o nyin itatal so ni te wo exam o ta itata foi graduate iko ila certificate o nyin manta dilela because of muye school nying head no wo mari nyi mantara je so nga modole soto mu yalon ko le nataka na replace wole nyanta ka cool ni organize ka wo cool organize will be how many years later just pour moya sign ka cool nying ke ko nyilla certificate nying afele so lafta itandilala cool mu yalon ko le katama yusak mu yalon ko wala GTT teacher soldama ibuke julo siata ibuke la allowance ibuke la salary jo on time nganu fanang ibuke la GRA jo ibuke la social security fanang ibuke fanang jo fo ya tinandi teachers jamal ye demonstration on yinke sala ben sabenya di ngejele mbinala le to that second program nimparita nyina because nafta ka mole fanang mako mu ya lonko I need to help la wo fanang mu student lati so mbedu na wo kono later on demanding thing but right now lafta ka fole cool mu ya lonko wole betama kang na Gambia nyina university nyinto university mu yalonko facility ltije yeah mbediamu kanu jang private schools wala kawol attack ka fo ko albe mol charge la ko di jamala alman facilities soto yara fangtol la whole university mu yalonko wala be Gambia kono woman any facilities soto theory damale kake university nyinto practice buka kige students jamal biji ikoitol katale yi karandi just on the blackboard altitala ya practice ka yitandila ko cool nying akatama tenna nyanta function na tenne kom nyinom the question nyinte mo yalon ko wulati nandi everybody is asking where are we heading to as a country because Gambia nyin na problem on mo yalon ko wulle bije asiatale fuibuka long inyanta datila damen ani nyanta end la damen Ministry of Higher Education ye safi letter la ye press conference ni ya kiyele ka yitandila ko this is what is happening Nganong ndol teacher sol nying, this is what we are going through. Laftale pralie mol dema nying kol nying abe solve la nyame. Inata kana waleta nyimuta ka bring 2023. Ya long cool mun baby kerinje. Ye cool muta ya brush under the carpet iko it will be solution on yinina to that problem. For wayati nandi students dol bije bini nyanta kela exam mota ibukana exam mota no katu mune be kering teacher sol nying ko itol tita lecture dilan dinde wala katun ko imejo ila kodola. For wayati nandi be student sol and teacher sol inyanta sofala under that problem we are lonko mismanagement the sort of wo problem o man dan wo problem killing wala inata muneke kotanke inata kana Nigerian ole nati nanje pour wolje naka school o nyin ron Nigerian o mu yalon ko ya nati je wolam the head of that you said yinti do ko ate bije like 5 years anene ma wo musoje anene maje anene ma long jumalo nyinti because of wala do ko nyin abe siringal office da mal to ko do ta kata so fo Gambian tol better la tenne watu wati nintol mun sambano mbelum tangol le bondila nambanta woli na yitandi molla kol nyanta tamala nyame. It is very sad kaje ko teachers all right now model be bokan jele Gambia University nyintoje kata private technical school sol to muli alon ko wolle be Gambia je ngano wo private technical school sol muli alon ko wolle be exist kan Gambia amanke ko Gambia non le karon wol mu luntangol le tati so fontol la banko nyimbe sila le ngaji ko all the time luntangol le binala ntol ma mu samba no rek luntangol le ka samba ngajele ko janna Gambia Port Authority nying luntangol le ba operate kam mole school sol mulbe Gambia ni lafta ka better education so to puri dingo inyante dingo samba la private school and most of this private school let us be the change we want in our country exactly so ninto lafta ko ndingole better education soto nyanta sambala luntangol la school to kaje ko better education ye soto no or what. This is a problem in Gambia. So nyanta sila tenengaji all sectors kabonang tourist industry sector kata for agriculture level we are ko ngajele ko sani Indian ol lebinala Pakistan ol lebinala wolle be molla agriculture fanang take over kan na si Gambia your GTTI mu ya lonko atelom the only technical school in Gambia. We were all one time proud of GTTI. Momo benun Gambia ika kontan le kwa jeko ite tata GTTI le yele karango ke yele ijita yele. Bari bi GTTI kamunta le ko kaito mu ya lonko molke juofita wala ka fa imbedoka. Because of what? Because of mismanagement. Because of imang school ni maintain no ko nyanta ka maintain yameng fo ibita molle natila nambanta. Professor be university nyinto jele lecturer bi jele mo yalon ko ni diamuta ye PhD sotole ye la master sotole bari ibuka lessons dino dimni wala class o nyin kono because of why katunko right now imang opportunity dilela pour ye dindi ngol nyin karande bi nite mu Gambian not in that university il lafta anything you have to take permission from a Nigerian colleague wole ba fole ni lafta kata hane kata serekunda wole be dundi la moto kono aye no makaji be kata mu neke yena ye murunna whilst the teachers in Gambia are struggling kaji ko be futala no nyamen doku dula with all these difficulties they are facing ibukela transport fee dilela ibukela home allowance dilela ibukela salary jo on time wolka try kana on time at school but in Nigerian wolye coastal dilela moto mu yalon ko wolbe bondila nang ila dulal to ayeto be collect ayinati nang karamboto. So Gambia, what is our problem? We need to know all these problems pour nga long control mu banko dingol let nganon na banko dingo manda banko din ya nyanta kelela le na bankoto ninko mba kelela ma kele katun ko man la filun tangol ma kele ko because of more racist lati bari nyanta ka make sure le ko as a Gambian citizen fendo bije man nyanna ka song lun tango ina waka directives dile la waka fu yebe wol kele tenne nyanta ko wol tamande la tenne fontol la ko be nyanta tula lun tangol le bulu educational system mu ya lon ko wole be Gambian be nga jele ko it is catastrophic. Teachers all mulia lonko wolebe Gambia, they are exhausted. The government is saving money because of imang kodi soto be teachers all employ la munna purka more teachers employ purka jeko yin teachers all be ye relief because teacher Gambia moment tarake motivate teacher mo ya lon ko ibe morning shift teacher ibe afternoon shift teacher ibe jula nothing less than $7,000 ite teacher ibe exhaust lale at the end of the day ite nyindini ngol karandila no o time mo nantol kata school no was for 36 mo le katara class o kono ban teacher dol biye over 70 students over 80-90 plus wolle katara class kilin kono ya imagine somanda ita 8 o'clock yidini ngol teacher ka bring somanda 8 ini wolbe nyo kanji yeboje yeta kotenke kata afternoon fananka wo fanan teach ite what possible lano so na educational system o nyantaka wole make sure ko nga put in order nga put in the right track because ni education system o man tarbeti yarin bankoto woton na fente beti yala no in the next future to come because nyindi ngol mulia lon ko wolle bita kan school bi ngani man taraka proper education soto ajibe textbooks or muntu male textbooks or nata just recently school mu yel ta kabri last year bukol nata science ne karamboto bol be mo fengolti mu yallon ko lack of organization or lebigi lack of competent people wol lebe ntol lañin karamboto so fo yatinandi bi mbele fela ka wodi ya mole fosfo ni mol ni e kacha katum konte sonna na karambonto dindi mol mul yallon ko wolla na Gambia ke balti ite proper education sotola ye school ye ta university wala ye ta college level je fanan ite karango soto la nyanta ka mon soto nganu ibe school fees jokan ibe kodo jokan at the end of the day ning inko la certificate nyanta soto la certificate boka soto dol fango ko itol graduate tele kabring like 3 years ago hani bi la graduation on ning ima soto graduation of fango woman get the problem but lack of issuing this certificate to the students mu ya lonko they've worked over the years to earn this certificate nganu ye school fees le jo ye pass on le jo kanana school ka kulke wokodo ning akadum muntole teacher sol mulia lonko ikela social security kodo nyinti dokle ikela GRA kodo di dokle over $1 million areas wolebe between Gambia government and GRA baringa bi mo man sakundaldi so teacher sol wolebe sofakan because bi wo teacher mu ya lonko ite be teaching na as a lecturer at the university je ni tata retirement la ite be kodo bondila mun tole nin kodi man joite man sakundal aranke so pour ite la retirement kodo so these are things lonko we have to know about it and we have to discuss about it. Definitely it is very, very sad. So bedan na janne nying follow la na kita mo bi janne because mo be nyini ka kam lonko be university nyinto or somewhere isinana no ini mole kacha wala ni momo anything sort of be mun join laji because this should be a Gambian problem, a Gambian discussion putting along how to solve these problems because of amanke correct school sol da malle la kodo nyin fango kalak they as ika kodo nyin economy lenka nka la fika foni jaman ka wala ka kodo nyin sparene ibe kodo nyin economy kan ita dundila na dingol la karamboto bari be kodo tala iba tinyala on unnecessary issues mo ya lonko ibe kuluntila jola ibe flight tala ibe tali nala ibe fangola luxury life nying ibe finance la ibe moto dimal borindila karobe fala itolbe la enough aning salary sotola ila salary be jola on time last year jangajele banna salo teacher solni for few days jandin salo le la salary soto Woto Gambia, for what is the problem? Financially, we need to know for Gambia nyimbe mfangol sustain la nole in the next few months to come. Because kodo nyimu ya lonko ika wole deduct molla salary to. Kodo mu ya lonko inyantaka man sakundala doku laljo wolla kodo nying aboka futa watela akamunta ko surwal ka formule ko sul buki sule buki fo wole be Gambia ba. Munati nandi musol kemal bidala ebitala jana kadi court ibe kodo jola kemal be dingol la allowance jola wo kodo fana buka futa anyanta futa la dame kabringa high court commandinga wol nyininka wol ko problem o nyingbe ngamira attorney general chambers lombang kodo nyinkata jele ni kodo futa kodo be kata mansal aranke solto so di parite ka identify ka kodo distribute for kodoli futay marilia wole ka ke time jamaita bari wo maril be sirinde 6 months 8 months iman kodo soto ngani ke mali nyin kodol nyin jole nyin dula nyin to so wol mu kuti mulia lonko anyanta jahalale mol soto da mul yalon ko wolle be dog wala gamtel wol tata retirement la wala retirement ko do hani bi ima soto no katon ko mune ya sabo kodo mu yalon ko ika wole kuntu yenu ila salary to ka fo ko ngala pensiono nyi jole naltata pensiono la kodo nyi betar la jil kodi man tarji yar fa ko di buka job bari ka ika safele ila salary slip nyi to ko nga kodo nyi di dokle. So what is the problem? Banko mu yalon ko icha hanta ila educational system o nyina o banko nyin abe kolyala la praita nyato mechi karandula mu yalon ko wolon na yusat nyinti wolon GTT IT mechol mulka karanje bi jamal la mecho ika banne yarfa nyina tinandi ni ko moy ko na yen na bo nyin fix ni wala na yen na fenke ni ibuka keno inyanta kala nyami because ye theory da male karan practice ni ima karan plumbal jibe mechanical jibe ika moto jelle samba gambe ya fo mechanical ya fo ngano le yela mechanical moto dilele yela moto beti nyai wota kamunta ko Gambia ntolbu kata nyato nka murun komale ngano wolon koti mu yalon ko nyantalo la walla kaje ko na banko nyi ye nyato tani soto. Yeah, Salah Bills maybe nagate left kasela or anybody else nano. Yeah, accept any. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, sis, me contact.
Pendole soto jam ni mpotole aji.
Ah,
Yin Kenya rende fa o majindo so be donation ole dangle amari be be America university ni je. Yeah.
Inte nga se ale na TikTok, bari ma se ano Facebook follow aka erole samana. Bari
Uh,
mba copy gale nga na face nyaji be.
yeah.
So nensa mari ma ko no abeti ata jele fanam pour karamo ngola karawo. Ne ajembe siring jambi mbe batala mol ben nena ka opportunity ta kan nen trumbe doku minna. Laftale drum kam modola life change. Even ton ta kenola ala le ka mola life fanning bari fota na nga dete nyola kanyo support mimbe kiring gambien be nga jele ndino nin sawo bi mimbe Europe molia opportunity min soto janna funding kele ya soto altol le munna sama alfalti altol le nyanta kila na presidente altol le nyanta mol protect la bi ni doko keta fo pensiono keta because isen la fi Europe la nyawo nya fo desina isen la fi kata hana be kala vitamin D te yeta Gambia ya yeta ta Africa fette fo tilo mi bije so ne ya be batari wato wate benna time on tala bi mu dima soldati nyanta taralan ke mal ni na family balale bari cool mi be caring Gambia na jele is very difficult
Yeah.
jan university wo university ka everything ne soto campus kono ni lafta tala loptano to ite la practical o keje bari all the equipments e ka soto university to Gambia na ngaje university kilimo 100 type of different courses abeke kanje jang law sol di la university lo social worker sol di la university lo even though some subjects it can mix le but I manke the whole country university clean na bije you know wo follow keta moli e bala fa ko wo keta already na teacher sol min be teacher na fanta mba fula teacher sol ye ko ya bara teacher teacher le keta only moti minka mo teach I officiate still now you are proud of them it all katara teacher level ite yake pilot oti yake fendoti but they will still celebrate you nte ngamra wo so to teacher dronet
Well, for teacher like a
ka
minister,
ha
teacher like a president, or teacher like a,
exactly
everything.
so ni aje jaman jan teacher so la pension no le gena beti nyaji be tika so la pensionol be te ata bakele sa ko min ka karamunto dindin do mandi ngol teach so on tenamira na banko al nyanta wulale ali na tika so support ali wuli ali banko dingol support ali wuli ali banko dingol support bi al be motol borindi la korda bal bulo kono everything bal bulo kono but at the end of the day ni future man beti a bal affect la nina sama mambeti ya abal affect la le abembele affect la so ntola di amonak maybe sometimes alba jibela okay karadol bije abal febola karadol bije atal febola bar dunia le fanan be wonyama ne ayem fintita nyanjan kanyin ku be diamu laftak bankole ta nyato ali ala weak point on jibe ali al fango a just demanding gambia ita nyato because big nin ko dol nin kata motol to e kata nin kuol to albe fly fala albita dan ko doron ka fo kari ka tamale ala al hakilo to nak alla in and out al tol min kana in and out e kal alla fi everything the system o konon ni european ol paleta al kamalungo minna hana la family isabe no ko ti dulal to ya burundal kan because every now and then iba try kan ne kalwal ajos nyene atina fanta kunun ko kabrinta ta na program wala ngatandi jamano lako alikaito dinna musolla minu kana through FGM la inila dindingol aleko lual soto ta Gambia la wo lua they are just saying about it mantra wo topi ko kono purka chandila don fonga keloke na banku dingoli isa sino to babu du nyami yela suturo soto because na banko kata nyami a ay mo jahalle amam future soto university mume moye karanje tela certificate o bondina no pour your school dol apply Gambia time binga luntangol le ba dominate kan intina kango soto nan na banko kan because ni mo me long abuka bala fe so wole be kere na banko kan sainten bi head kan wosi lolla Gambia banku dingol ni ajon be youth sol engage dan kadiyamali ya altol mun dingol leti altol le mun na brother solti altol le mun na sister solti altol le mun na sama alfalti be laban na minu bulo kono malon wala tinan tol man juto altol la so Dukare Gambia Teachers Union and whatever education system or ala try ala school or ajos nalma ajos abembele affect la silence amakama mama dinge fanantu ye diamu fulo nyamut beduma sister fansa bal la muila you know mbe jibe lal be ani mbe life type kamba fulale ko tons nyaay ngal jele ala baraka ali life nin tap ali yasya tumando bi jembe kumo min fo kam bi na mantran na nafala karola barase kiabe dole fana nafala you know so alama alaya be sone ya mama bi tesinano ya
Yeah, assalamu alaikum al kondom back.
ye jo mama
Okay, ngal kondom sun karo back, you know.
ye jo
Yeah, ngai yaron ngambe ko mama mbere nyanta fundra ngadi am. I mean sort of yafo.
mhm
Yeah, but Gambia education system on they can kabile mo mbala la Ministry of Education menna bile mo la wala kan. Because ni aja bi ku jama be gara Gambia Minister of Education ni Minister of Education londi je primal assist mole ni to rosoro dame ay mol ma ko je. But ni nata jibe Gambia science foreigner teacher foreigner business la foreigner you know that haraje foreigner sembo so Gambia don't je. What that shouldn't be manya nakela. So banko ni aje ko banko dinol domo. Naje ni na ni minister bebe kindan na ko teacher le karandi teacher nyanda teacher nyantera judi teacher felenti be karandi ro salary kendo fa be kaso no
Bolon kuwati sanyi muna tinandi a whole university problem o be caring a kono Gambia banku dingol moma long mune be caring it will be dealing with this problem school yi informal ale lecturer yi informal mu ya long ko wole be caring pour yi fonti mo kan ya ko ñine be caring wala ni problem o ni yamin itol be gena faniyal tala iba daban ko barla ibe wolnene la ibe kuol ko bala indingol be graduate la school imang som ka certificate o nyon dile la iba fala woni mole nyanta signature nyin kala wala signature nyin na be ko ni ya wo bayla wo man tara ji ko vante so can you imagine it's a lot of was a seat after a signature in baton in a period of 24 months nga fo nyam pour jamin ibo certificate of release la na di mo maril to yati nandi modol bi ibukela example tano because teacher sol nying ika demonstrate la school oto ka foko email allowance or yin so ima access soto fang hani la credit union account dolto because of areas la bije mu yalon ko ila kodol mo nyanta jola je amaka abuka joji fu yati nandi itolma access soto wo kodola for every time ninkaro fata before long janni ni mismanagement ni ko be kanano ikoy la salary ko 24, 25, comme jang rek 25, 20, yani ba fala 28 salary fata bari karo katale faye fa fu kari do yellow yeda du wala foy kana du wala kari ya ma tili tamo to time wala kana joroke so muno bo problem si fati bu yalon ko wala be wol level din to ngano level do fana bo problem si fa wala bigi kato ko even school sol be ibe teacher sol ning ime employ teacher jelle be sire militita Gambia College in a certificate sol ime employ no ngano right now there are lack of teachers shortage of teachers in Gambia primary school Foyatinandi, ibe class flatala primary 1 and in primary 2 ke joined the class clinty because of enough teachers soto. Munatinandi nyanta tulud na molla educational system omi.
Yeah, Monsieur. Education is the most important key because nyaje dunia bida kan education la. So kayen min keta manke bi kutini kusifa meta Gambia kona meta le. So yawan social media la fana ko bi fana fe min be kere.
Yeah, no.
Ko jama sota tan non na meta ni meta bari ana sista ndeka men blame ndeka na masa kunda bede na masa kunda na dibite bande ke bede blame because nge sindi wala kanje nge sindi banko jon nyaji ofita bari baka ka because nga mo tell me yalan ko they are from GTD I certificate of more than 3 years certificate of caso de ce problem
Yeah, wala be kere.
comprendo kara so do ni experience nga ingin nga ba mo na kere ma certificate ko isi story experience so nka singa mira nko how is possible ko nya hai min the line school ko
Hello.
min be
Assalamu alaikum.
hello
Malaikum salam. Mina de.
salam so adi amo siatal de so gambia ni na hajibe gambia nyanta na government nyanta trada mas a try teacher employ teacher ku salary soto ni non sen so mbe gambia stop because no be non sen so de ba enjoy kan do be so fa
Exactly.
I can answer your question, Fanta.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
okay go ahead
Why people are leaving and not leaving leaving the teaching field? I'm a qualified teacher. I graduated from Gambia College in 1998 with a double major in English and home economics, HTC.
Yeah.
So from 1998, when I graduated, I said I wanted to make a difference to serve as a role model in my rural area. So I lobbied to be posted to Kaur Senior Secondary School. My students, those who are listening, they will tell you that yes, I was able to make a footprint in that place. I was in Kaur for 2 years,
Yeah.
and then I wanted to go to the university. Then the school was under subvention from the Ministry of Education. So I applied for study leave with salary, and it was granted by the Board of Governors. Then I went to the university. Before I graduated, I was approached by the then Minister of Basic Education, Antres Ndongjata. She invited me to her office and told me that she wanted to make me the head of FAWE. FAWE is an international NGO set up by the Ministers of Higher Education, female ministers of higher education in Africa. The headquarters is in Nairobi.
Yeah.
So she said that because I was doing a good job when I was in the rural areas, and then I was recommended by Madam Ramotulai Seka Yannakoyala Yerem to replace her. So I went in to start working for FAWE. Then I got a scholarship to do my master's in Taiwan.
Yeah.
But remember, when I was leaving, I already graduated with my bachelor's degree in 2004. But can you believe that from 1998 to 2008, I was receiving the salary of higher teachers certificate, grade 7. My salary plus the 500 transport allowance was $2,250. The whole salary was $1,750 plus the 500 transport allowance at the time. So when I left for my master's degree, I came back. I went to the Ministry of Basic Education to inform. I wrote to them to inform them that I'm back. But then, even before I left, I'm going to discuss this in depth so that you understand why people just leave the education ministry. Because when I graduated from the university, then I had a problem with the board because the board wanted me to go back. But I said the minister hired the board. So if the minister asked me to go, I am not going to answer to the board, but to the minister. So they stopped my salary for 9 months. So when I came back, I went to the ministry, but I was told that I cannot be giving a graduate salary. Remember, I got my bachelor's. I cannot be giving my graduate salary because there's no vacant position. And before I went, they are the ones who approved my leave without pay. Remember?
Yeah.
So I just wanted you to know that from 1998 to 2000, September 15, 2000, I was receiving a higher teacher's certificate. When I already have my higher teacher's...
98 to 2015.
2008. I graduated from Taiwan in 2007. I came back. But I still was, I was like education officer or acting education officer, which is the same as the higher teacher certificate salary because there is no change. So from 1998 to 2008, I was receiving the same salary in Gambia. But remember, I already have my higher teacher certificate, I have my bachelor's degree, and I have my master's degree in human resources management. So when I came, I thought I would be posted to the HR department. But would you believe that even before that, my file was kept by a director at the ministry, and if the director wants, I can call his name on this live, by the director, because he told me, if you don't want to love me, then you will never see your file again. And I thought he was joking. He kept that file, and I was sitting for 9 months without salary. It's only when I went to the permanent secretary, Babukar Boy, and he told me that, Adama, yo fana bunyaka file, foko gise, naka ngai toge 9 months, amulo salary, nyulo lijante. And I said, no, because I was told that they are looking into it. And when I went back there, I was told that my file is lost. But the permanent secretary called the director of HR at the time and said, I want Adama's file on my desk in the next 5 minutes. Can you imagine, within 5 minutes, the file was on the permanent secretary's desk. That's how I was paid my 9 months arrears. So now my question is, sorry.
Dama la tooñ ma ne xanaa directeur boobu xamutoon ne Saraka ak sa sister ñooy def TikTok live yi nii.
waxati ko directeur ba retire na ba pare mu nga dëkk suma boori kër every day ma gis ko saa yu ma ko gisee ma ne ko yow bandi criminal bi. So why I am giving all this is for you to understand that people are leaving the ministry for various reasons. And one of the reasons is the fact that there is no proper planning in that ministry. Sorry to say, because if I am on leave, if you give me leave with salary and send me to do my masters, you should do proper planning so that when I come back, you know where to put me. You cannot tell me that because there is no vacancy, I have to stay in one place for years. That's how I left the ministry and I went to the Gambia Postal Services as HR manager until later I joined another organization. So, and secondly, I used to say that Gambia, we are not poor. Our problem is misplaced priorities.
Happen right now.
We have misplaced priorities. Fanta, come on. Gambia is not poor. If you know the level of intervention the international community is doing in Gambia, you calculate how much billions of dollars are going into Gambia every year. You ask them, why do we have a school still now where the kids are sitting on a mat to go to school?
Exactly.
Where the teachers are struggling to even get the basic teaching aids to the kids.
Funding, the same people are the one managing it, and they are managing it, directing it, everything into their own pockets, you know?
And the saddest part, Fanta, is when these funds come, even at the planning stage, you'll be shocked that the first thing they talk about is workshops.
Yeah.
Workshops, per them travel, and computers for themselves and their families.
We have seen that exactly.
Exactly. It's sad.
Project, the Miss project, what they did, they didn't even have accommodation for them. They fake a collect policy. No, we don't want breakfast. We can provide food for ourselves. When we insist on they will provide breakfast for them.
Exactly. That's what they do. It should be a choice.
si sa lifin buñ la war a jox sa xaalis bi ñu defar leen just toast bread
Yeah, because
muro bota
Fanta,
ak ponse for
Fanta, you will be
$500.
shocked to know that those who are providing the food are the ones organizing the workshop. They register their own
These are the
companies to
ones
provide the
organizing
food.
it, yes.
Because the Ministry of Education, Hamnafa in and out, I was there from 1998. I started teaching in 1995 for 1 year before I went to the college. So man, I'm talking from experience. Man, I work with the most honest person in that ministry, the current director of education. Every day of the Huloya guys. So whoever doesn't participate, you don't chop. We don't go to workshops to create per diem for others who never traveled, who never participated in those workshops. At the gender unit, we are the only unit who insisted that we will never do that. And we succeeded.
Yes, and
You know, so there are a
So
lot of
that
things
guy
that
is
have gone
still
wrong.
there,
A
Ado.
lot of things gone wrong. Huh?
Is the guy still working with the ministry
Sorry.
or what?
no, I can't retire.
The guy, no, he retired. He retired. He's a criminal retiree living next to my house in Gambia. I see
This
him
is
every
very
time I
sad.
go out.
Last time we were talking about this. That's what Sister Fanta is fighting for. Most of these employees or most of their directors, they will want to use these women to promote them. But why? This is our question. Why are you going to do that to our own fellow women, your own sisters, your own aunties? Huh? Sleeping with them before promoting them. Why? ah ngay jël nit ki bugga koo tëddoo pour nga promote ko lu tax loolu ku ko nangu duñ la
Yeah,
promote soo amutee
yeah, and
famille duñ la promote lii lañ nekk di xeex jigéen ñi dañ soona duñ mun a nangu loolu noonu every time mu nekk di dal suñ jigéen ñi imaginal yow nga am fekk papers yi ñu téye ko foofu noonu muy wax ne pour yow nga nobantee moom man nee na la bugg a laaj yow ban advice nga amal ñi nga xam ne ñu ngi xëy na si situation bi nga nekk nii te mënuñ koo wax naka la ñoo mun a def ba aju seen boppa ñu nekk si yeneen level yoo xam ne because nit ki li nga toog nga muñ ko ba yàlla ubbil la yeneen bunta mun naa am yeneen jigéen ñu ngi pass through lii nii pour ñoom tamit ñu mun a xam fan la ñoo mun a jaar ba yàlla ubbil leen yeneen bunta foofu laa bugg a nga ñëwal gaa yi tuuti
yeah.
pour ñu rescue suñu
Man,
jigéen ñi liñ
wow.
defa saat
Xam nga tiida man ci déggal ma laa wax tiida sax man mënumaa jëw ma ne ko comme sister Binta man li ma dee wax every day rek mooy nit ku nekk sooy lekka suuf sa lekka ko waaye nga am sa ngor su ma la waxee ne man at the time life was very hard man boot naa suma doom ma taxaw RBH may sara pour lu ma reeree because my child was sick ñu ngi ko admit $50 laa amoon on that day.
moo nekk
Then ajarati
time nga du doon fay sa salary bi noonu.
Exactly. At the time when my salary was stopped, that time I was in the university. Be pare suma doom bi mu ngi feebar ma admit ko lopitaan. Then that day I had only $50. My father was very very sick at the time. He later passed away. Day boobu noonu was the worst day of my life. I'm just quoting this example so that ñu nekk si kaw ñu xam naka la nit ñi dee dundee lu metti. Man dama boot suma doom bi ñu admit ko RVH ndox amutoon Banjul si lopitaan bi. I had to ask my sister to bring the water. Ma jox ko pass. I was left with only $15 in the evening. Ma wax benn jigéen ma ne ko hey man de dama jaaxle man suma yaay ñëw na seet si ma waaye aw ma sax lu ma ko jox pass bu gën a may seet ma ne ko te man aw ma lu may reere suñ ma indilee reer fu ma jox leen pass jigéen bi mu ne ma déedéet am na ku di indi sarax su timis la ko di indi pour time mi dog weeri koor la woon. Ma jël mu ne ma jëlal $15 nga dem jënd booli plastique. Ma dem jënd booli plastique ma taxaw si rang bi timis mu ñëw ooma ma taxaw si rang bi Dieynaba Diba soo maa dégga sooy déglu yaa ngi mun nga maa seede nga tiba domo daa lañ toogoon bés boobu ñu tiba di ma defal si bool bi ñu tiba di tiba sorry okay I will speak in English again yeah so I went to beg for food at the hospital because my daughter was sick and they seized my salary because somebody felt so big that he can keep my file at the ministry. So I begged that day. I was given a bowl full of domoda. When I went back, I couldn't eat. I cried the whole evening because I asked myself, why deserve this? Yeah, I asked myself because I didn't wrong anybody. I went to school, I graduated, and I signed a contract with the Ministry of Basic Education that I will be doing the delivery and they will be doing the payment of my salary, which they failed. So my life was hard. Binta, I'm starting from there because I want people to know that even so leka suuf sa leka ko waaye bum la tax a def yenn yi. even your dignity is number one. So fekkoon ne tey nangu woon naa tëdd ak kooku noonu for the sake of promotion tey fu ma jëm su ma ko xoolee duma ko mun a xool si bët waaye moom moo maa xool. I make sure that every day I pass his house or I pass him sitting, I stop with my car ma ne ko nanga def. I torture him mentally but no duma musa fàtte li ma def si àdduna. I tell him every now and then I see. So Binta man li ma advice ñeenay mooy bu leen nangu góor yi di leen tëddoo for the sake of promotion. Sa dignity war na laa jaral lu nekk sooy lekk suuf lekk ko sooy lekk xorom nga kuyal ko naan ko tëdd ak sa njaboot bi waaye sa dignity bu mu la ko jaral. And léegi people are lucky now. At the time there was no social media. léegi ku nekk ragal nga ñu ne bul nangu Fanta jot si de te bul nangu diw sangam jot si de dina la lay fa. So people are a bit scared and their dignity ñoom ñu nekk di tooco nit ñi seen doom yaa ngi si school system bi seen jabar yaa ngi jàngale si school system bi so duñ nangu nit ñi embarrassed. So even though they are doing this they will hide it. So that's a very good opportunity for people to use it so that nit su la buggee def loolu dara nga bañ su la bugga lii nga expose ko. Fanta that case you treated where boy janga bu ñu doon toog noonu from Bara at the end of the day the case was resolved and then she got her confirmation with the intervention of TIDA. So bu leen ragal man kuñ ko
soo gisee ma laaj la question boobu sister Adu xam na maa yow ñoo nekk benn city te man xam naa fi nga liggéey understand nga so da ngaa gis ne ñeneen dañ dee ñàkk a bañ a lu seen job bi comme ñeme ñu maa lu suma liggéey ñeme ñu maa lu suma liggéey du ma am du ma nekk soo defee loolu yàlla def dee teg sa bunti wasage loolu moo tax ma laaj la because yow tey ñëw nga puus nga ba alhamdulilah maa yow ñoo dëkk benn dëkk fii jaamane fii yàlla indi la si liggéey boo xam ne tey sa teraanga njaboot foofu la gën a nekk sa daan xëy na soo nekkoon Gambia tukki danga ko doon strogulaati yaa sa njabooti ba léegi yàlla ubbil na la bunta boo xam ne foo bëgg a dem si àdduna bi yaa sa njabooti gën a faa dem te bañ a tëddaa kooku noonu bañ a lu sa dignity moo tax sa nga gën a mun a puus ba nga egsi so lii moo tax ma ne la lan nga am pour la mun a wax suñu sister si because ñun suñu boppa ma sister Fanta ñi nga xam ne ñu ngee toog si dañ dee discuss suñu affaire yi sister si lu leen dee dal def lu dee métti xam nga so lii moo tax ma doon laajte question boobu noonu jërëjëf si sa contribution
waaw pour ma daaneel da ngeen ma bàyyi leen ngeen continuer man li ma bëgg a wax rek mooy Gambian education system bi we're joking about it waaye gis nga ñun we are held high esteem lañu nit ñi xool kay ma jox la benn example. I remember one time when I was in the post office they would tell you Iron Lady. I was the Iron Lady because I insisted that all managers should at least have a diploma. So there was this case where I insisted that the manager should go for a course, and she went and got a course in an unregistered organization, and I refused. I said it's not going to happen, but at the meeting they gang up against me. So they said that, oh, Fide, you don't have to say anything. Anybody who doesn't have, who graduates from the University of the Gambia is not recognized, so they can only go to Taiwan for their masters. So that was the idea of people thinking that the university is not good enough. I can give you one example. You can type it right now. There is a professor called Babukar Bah, professor of mathematics. His name is Babukar Bah from the University of Gambia. Now he's in one institute in South Africa. Everybody is fighting to get him. So there are a lot of good graduates. Anna Dr. Baturumboch. There are a lot of PhD holders. Sumaraka, my own sister, she's a doctor at the age of 29 from the University of the Gambia, graduated masters. Bachelors. So there are a lot of potential in the university. There are a lot of potential in our colleges.
Right now, because of that money happen currently in GTTI, we have PhD holders, we have master's degrees holders in the university. Why Mununyo Johel lectures? Because of we prefer Nigeria and certificate. I mean, the false certificate certificate. I mean, why not?
Fanta, I want you to find out. No, Fanta, I want you to find out. I want you to find out something, Fanta. Can you find out if those teachers teaching in GTTI are the technical assistance program from Nigeria? there is what they call the Nigeria Technical Assistance to the Gambia. NATAC, they're called NATAC. They are the ones being posted to some of these technical schools. And because the government signed an agreement with them, when they come, they are provided with accommodation, they are provided with sometimes transport where it is not. So, if the Gambia government is selling us by signing some agreements that is not favorable to our country, is something else to be discussed. GTTI is suffering probably because NATAC is part of those teaching in the GTTI, and then they have to be provided with transport at the detriment of our own Gambian teachers.
Yes, and the students.
There's another issue.
They could do an exam at the proper time before because teachers in the new.
I have a son at GTTI. I looked at his attendance. Sometimes he will attend only 75% of the time in GTTI because when the lecturers are not coming, so I go home.
Yes, because
it's sad. It's really sad.
And allowances.
Yeah, Gambia is very sad. It's really sad.
Yeah.
That's sad. You can continue. Didn't stay around it. Why you continue? You're doing a good job. Keep it up. I'm really excited when you talk about the issues that really touched my heart. I was really very mad when I was denied my rights.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
And people fight. Yeah.
Come look at you today where you are. You know, why you really fought for it and maintain some dignity being a loss and because of few how magalati or a few how malan. Why yang sisa teranga, yang sisa libe buba, aksan jabod, you know, munfa to photo. Soxla yu bari bari. So motax nak ñu bari war nañ séro yu tamit gis né la nit okay dina tok ma déglu rek if anybody wants to come up mën nga ma wajé kon yeah jërëjëf Mamadi yeah man na internet
yeah.
Okay.
My sister are beautiful. In 1998 up to 2000. I'm going to make good because I'm going to be good today. And more jama be there and any problem for.
Oh, I can't die call.
No, who don't know what can jamba rola from Mufra. I'll not know that idea was here.
Okay, whatever uro lah.
Ola uro ola mbodaje. So adi amo Seattle. So yen mira between 1998 up to 2008 9 money kamola salary de card job. Mo jamala be there ngene mi ala ko bayinke ga because musu jama kan ñu complain ila fa promotion o dila fo ñaton ko fo director le fo mo le sa fo ni la ngene promote. Can you imagine? It is so bebulu. It man was a muso kan. The lafa kara franka one day don't want to pay for ka promotion or diara. More Gambia more Jamaica. They have a good education. They have a good graduate. If you see them Gambia man doko di kara adi na yung foreign na useless to me alanko. Ita doko ke no le banko ha.
But in year mum for wolom, na kita Gambia government in Nigeria no le contract or sign mu ya long contract ko mum Gambia no favor wala tol ma long contract in the next 5, 6, 7, 8 years abe mum problem difficulties la nati la Gambia no le ni tol ma wol check. So obviously the problem si fa le be kere. Comme nga jibe example wala Gambia Ports Authority sign ye contract ning sign in
okay.
Yeah, for 30 years, you know, and in Transgambia tada contract ko muna sign je ka fuko Gambia te bridge roll la Gambia te mano construct la dulani to anywhere so be access to la dulani da malto pour katambino je so wala tinandi akumaya ta nitol be lack with the education system because fenkemal bi je karamole kat nandi mo ya long fo nyim mo kulete mu ya long ka benna banko nyim fe volale bari ka contract sign kunken sangol ka contract sign bayo ite nyenta ka ni contract ko nyinati ite mari nyenta percentage le soto laje ite wo percentage nyin consider ka tambi wo banku dingol nyin ibe sofala nyame na bankoto so wo mistakes jamal le soto na Gambia bankoto fo yak nambi ku jamal be lack behind
because
Yeah.
of na Paul leadership nga mol soto leader mul ya lon ko bi wala nyanta lola nun je ka ku kendol ke ka je ko Gambia la nyato title be lola wolto bari ñi mol mul ya lon ko jamal be lorin je wol be lorin ifanso ji bolle because nga lon ko nin contract ko nata obviously mole ka contract nati nga no moyo contract ko ñin nati alka ko de nata aliadi wo mari ñina so wo mari la wo percent ñin abe mun soto la fo Gambia be nyanta sofala for Gambia be boy produce la muy yalon ko ila doko ijitale i graduate tale ye certificate soto bari ila doko nying itatila no nyanta ka nyame because imam practice nying imakara
So
yo wo mu bankute mu yalon ko bolon Gambia te so Gambia nyin na ko nyin dal mol dal ajakalo warta ha kodo nyin abe muntole kodo nyin akafuta muntole munati nandi ibe kodo save la on the education system nde wala number one problem di because of savings nyanta kala le bari karangola bunda to savings manyanna kala jibi comme adu ya fo nyame ni present generation on mun to tembi Gambia dindi manyanna sila bankoto ye baso fene ka foku e be la karamole keka katun ko kadu akasia mol yalo fonde nyin nata woka kodo kadum wolle la posol kono wo mare bi ni tata e bata rebe moto dimal borindila ila korda
even man sono local.
korda jamal lo ye dingol ki tubabu du e dingol be private school solto because as long as ametol affect as long as itol la kalbe be faring e be la talano about ila daily business on nyina itol la hajiti so the masses nying wolbe suffer nyameng woman ke tol la hajiti woman ke tol la problem ti so this is the thing that we have to fight in Gambia kaji kon kana silako na nyanto kana silako na right nyinga loka foko nyimu na right leti because ni amoy bi teacher betarala lecturer betarala university nyintoji aka fo students oleko ha alkana nade nal nata nalbe nyinin karo ke la fanan alake domandi alkana ke hectic quote alkana problem create because of what teacher nying right now maybe ate favor conditions all beta makanje yate favor wala tinande ate bafla dindi wale ko nal nata alkana la kayti nyinka every student la right leti because his school fees jole itata foi graduate the school okono kabribe exam tala niman school fees joli de sonne yo exam ota so ita foi yo exam ota foi graduate fo point to mu ya lonko nyenta ke la certificate o receive email certificate o dile sanji mu be siri ibuka job apply no dulato because of imang certificate soto wala niya apply ka foi loko certificate on nati pour nga lonko yenyi na karam ite teacher be siri je because of few cool mulia lonko wole ite favor presently ite ka fo dindingo leko alkana nana school to kana kanyin karoke what is the selfish reason mu betar la wuti ca ngodo nyina atinandi na banko titala no nyato as long as ayete favor le as long as abete la side rek ite man lafi moye wuli idea mu comme na Gambia ñi na ko be ñaman rek when you talk about anything ya ke political to ni fefo ya politics ya politicize ya foko ha ñi be parti karele ñi be ñine ma koy ka wala ñi be ñine ka ñi manke de problem ti when it comes to national issues al nga ke national issue di amoti nkana ke politique quote because nga modo je mu yalan ko ibe talk about la ñi ko rek ibe na lay ba fala ko ñi leet nan di ñi masoto ñi lay mo fenkete it is not that let us focus on how Alkamoy. Al nga focus on cool to mulia lonko.
We get you no.
Sambala nyato. Al nga focus cool to mulia lonko at the difference not because as long as we are splitting apart, as long as we are chances be la wala because of school stol mulia lonko sani ya lonko technical school o mumbe Gambia amantara ka function anyanta function na nyaming nothing is not going as expected it will be tala le kotenke yela private school sol ni yele ye technical private school sol yele so what teacher killing all wolle be bola GTT ayeta teaching laji wo students killing all mulia lonko inyanta tala no GTT I wolta tala ji at the end of the day GTT I mulia lonko we were all once proud of GTT I lom tolla first university to Famansa for no William. Everybody was proud of GTTI. For B GTTI in a mesti. Honey Geo from a purka soto GTTI amount sort of for mole nata. I boholo sing ye purika access soto no ye soto. Right now, ila jonkong or ninyantaka jonkong or from ku. fenkol man soto jonkon fitarangol man soto je productsol man soto pour ka jonkongol ninku because of lack of mismanagement kodi man soto ibe kodo safe la janni jana ticha mu nyanta ka dindingo karandi pour wo dindingo soma aya contribute to Gambia la nyatota wo ticha ni nima motivate no nyame wota jo ala lifestyle la kamunke ala doku akamu execute inyantale ya jo wo ticha man nyanna ka si karo efa ala karfa jo aka baton ticha man nyanna tala fire realize ko ntela social welfare mantaraka jo ni te sasata nyanta kata fango jara wala anything koditete je ni te retire koditete je obviously ni woti chay opportunity doje come adu ye mum foten afanambe bola jele ayta kudo nyini. So this is how we are going to continue losing our best people mulmuli alon ko they are very good ngani mu Gambian ol jututela fo bi ibota Gambia kono ikata dula do comme ay mum foten nyimba bu karba wobe ako fo be South Africa le. So many people muli Lonko, they are patriotic Gambians, they are very intelligent people, intellectuals or Lomulia Lonko, they have the Gambia at heart, they can see that come ibe contribution of la Gambia, mumbe Gambia sambalanyato, but it be womolning they are discouraged in the Gambian system. Ngamunege adu mumfo system man soto mismanagement le bekeri priorities le kata dulalto mu ya lonko manya na wol prioritize la ajibe just in the local council la dulalto area council ala jibe mismanagement jelle ka kiji ala jibe kodi jelle kata ika dundi ila own private account ite kata nyadi le man sayete employ as an employee as a civil servant ite ka mansala kudo ta ika fango blandi fango own account into millions of dollars ika si council nyato ika foko ntemu kodi tiolete ika business carrier ron ka business carrier ron you kudo bondi muntol ite mu yalon ko ila salary fango is just less than $20,000 every month ite bo kusi fal be ron la nyadil ye dingol ni la family be ka be employ Gambia wolo na problem to who you know and whom you know but not what you learn, what is in your head, how competent you are ibuka will consider. So wala tinande at the end of the day ntol Gambia no lenyanta wulila nga jeko wi low dulato muya lonko mba yitandila loko ntol la Gambia laftale ay bonying dulato abe lorin dame sanji jelu ma move no a step forward because of the bad management kamun soto mol corrupt ringol nyin mismanagement ka soto nyin ko be mota blame la no ka foko man sakunda iba jele ko man sakunda mu yalon ko be sirin jele head of man sala nyaton ko mu cleanet minister mu jeleti e man tambi fam hani 20 minister yena permanent secretary and director bari nyin sunyar mesangol mu be kake nyin mismanagement mu be kake a be kake tol damalete mu yalon ko tol be sirin ni office yin kono ngalo ni frata office oto i man karamoke i ma sambano i ma sambala nyame ni frata ya foy ko yalon ne kon telon jumati ikata le fam e meya passport fam ni lafta kata passport fam soto Gambia abe tala weeks letter ikata le fam mol office oto you have to beg that person prior mako ila kaito mu yalon ko inyanta ka soto. So Gambia nying, let us focus on the things mu yalon ko wole be Gambia sambala nyato alnga bulaka foko sila tale ka wuli mo jamal kan kol bari na identity man la faye funti nsila tele pour ya lonko ntele nga nyim foy, especially at this university level here we have nothing to be scared of because every student mu ya lonko is hitale 3 years email certificate soto. It is your right to fight for it because you have worked hard for it, you have paid your tuition fee for it. So it is tarla no ye graduate from a university imang certificate soto wote ite law karonga na fale muna ne ba fala ko ibesilala muna ne ba fala ko ntitala no because of iba fala ko ntele dabije muna na teacher be to stop la ka fo ko alkana na jang alkana nyimfo because of ayete favor ni minister ni director ni molbe mul yalon ko wolle bi be dingol be private school loleto. And what is happening in these private schools jamal bije minister dingol bijele director dingol bijele police officer dingol bijele but the dingol kata tru mon na foy tol yalon. These are the things mu yalon ko nyanta ka wolle kele ka foko dingo ita private school ye thousands of dollars is jo pour dingo doesn't mean ko wolo be best education in total wodi dingo maybe bala life la destroy ka ngano wodi dingo se keno productive person yente soma ala balu woni kon bari ita ye maybe $53,000 in jo a year for a primary school student, primary school pupil where graduate school ama fango na fano amang fenkarang ikay ko kayto fango read ama read no because you were busy ka Gambia la kodo sunya ka fengol ke mul yalon ka te Gambia na fala tala ibo ko do tala rek dan ko rek ite ya soto at that present moment ye dingol nyin na karambo jo fo ite ya mira wodinde wonyin ala o karango nyin fango na karanta fa jita fango banko fango na fa ala le bang because where jele ko ite as a parent you don't care about him or her ite be bizini no munella ko di sunya aninka ko wolta mande mul yalonko ani luwa ni silo ni kilingo mantanyola. So Gambia is high time that Molia Lonko what is happening and the solutions to these problems. Because man lafi ngasi being a bulo landi nyoka ngajeko na GTTI at the end of the day I na collapse. Jiniko GTTI eko fenti je sai. Private schools also molkata jel. Man lafi walla. Because Gambian we have to be proud of Gambian to be a Gambian product sol Gambian cool nyanta proud la wall. Gambian momo ye tradition soto ye history soto le ye fen soto le muya lonko I proud tale because bi kabring adonata aba feloko Antares Ndong Jata nti amuna principality no kabring be grade 7 what time ole about DJ Samba but everybody knows kabring Antares Ndong Jata be no St. Peter's Senior Secondary cool betama kan no nyame bari kabri mo bota ji cool betaka nyame slam benga wo jele so Gambia nying mismanagement mispriorities wolle nyanta bulala because wolom the only thing muyen na banko nyi batandi nganum kasila ka fokonte diamula wo is not the solution to our problems mo be nyanta wulila le yediamu mo be nak manke diamulati bari ne kuje mu yalon ka betama kan yalon ko nying amanke ku kendoti imam hani ka fo dulal bi jele we have enough journalists in Gambia. We have enough content creators, influencers, more platform also they can talk about these issues. Because the more we talk about national issues, what time molemba lonna kon na banko kata nyame, no what time molembe lola kaje kon na banko nyanta ka bondi jinkona. But Gambian we are busy topic car. We are busy ni money mole be kelola no jang bi dulabe farin tep but in fengo mu yalon ko wole nyantan na Gambia sambala nyato we are all lacking behind and we don't want to fight for our Gambia ning Gambia tata fa tunenda wala foy Gambia busi mol bulu na Gambia di yabe tata wo time mole ba fala ko yar fa nyine be keri ba ite be busy no munella ite be busy neka cool no mo yalon ko amanke amante nafala muna mo fo be sila nyaadi la somanda fotilo yo boy ikela moy fenna mu yalon ko imam fen karanje ame lafa ame samba nyato fo nyo nengo fo nyo kajafo fo nyo diamu furingo mu yalon ko amaka sense make fun tentol be ko soman laftale na banko nga jibe nga proud of na bankol bari jumale nyanta kan na banko nyi dokuñi wala jumale nyanta kan na banko nyi futande ntole wodula nyinto bi momo nyanta sile la platform oltole ikadiamo about the problems mulbe happen kan area council olto because area council ol nyi kodo mun kadunje wallon kodol ti mulyalon ko molka namojo especially mulyalon ko wolle kata juti collectla bitikol to musol mulbe marseto ikala $10 sol busi bul every day wo kodo nyi wo muso nyi a sofatale pour ka soto a yaya intela tata na ko to lay bagasol dunile anata somanda juno 5 o'clock a wulta pour kana firoke ite na yo fa $10 si juti nyi collectla bul musu jamal ning area council la head sol yo kurota ya bulandi ila own private issues to ka bulandi la own private account to ka kurota kila tobaskil ni la koritel ka wol finance kila manual futu wo kodola Gambia la kodo musol la kodo mulia lonko be sofaka so wol be mu kuti mulia lonko mol be ka jele nga access sotole to the YouTube abe jele mbe nyanta focus la woleto nga bankol mul noma bi Senegal wol be nyina Senegal wol develop tale wol yentol to komale Nigeria wol develop tale dawoda West Africa nimul bebe West Africa ki Gambia tollon last nga nun tolle la currency nyim bambanta nga nun tollon Gambia ti mulia lonko tollon saten dingoti ntolle la banko be easy la no pour ka develop bari banko mu yalon ko be biziri kanyo sunya nyo gama banko la ko do ka sunya kanyo kele ka foko nyimman kareleti nyimbe teneti woman tantol na fala fenna an kana songa si fo Gambia la name nying at the end of the day ba bondi la mapo fangotale because femu yalon ko Gambian product lo be it is in the verge of we are in the verge of losing it because of Gambia julbruji be ngala programme o ke no janna video be no janne Julbrumi along ko wole ka Gambia represent everywhere and need at a dawo dai to leka number 1 soto medalo ito leka title leka first position soto B wo company nying has collapsed jumale ba ron kang an Indian man mu ya lonko I experts all le bondi nang India mulnata well they don't even know how to operate the things ima long fang ika mixture nying Kenya di le pour ka wo drink all ni wo cool nying ka will produce bari wo mol bi ye wolke mbalit faylalati Gambia julbru mol muliyalonko they have 20 years over 30 years working experience wol man taraka access soto pour que ila doku wole kranwo ye munke as a Gambian ka wo bondi ka proud ko ntol Gambian no le ngani produce ngana tatale in the international level nganu nga first position soto je poro fele hospital GTTI is almost gone. Schools all muliyalonko wolam public Mantakundala school or public schools also wolman good reputation soto moman la fike dingol sambaje private schools all muliyalonko wolle be siare na bankoto wol natale as business owners wol natale ka Gambian wol exploit aninka bamal nim famal muliyalonko kodo be buli male be kodo dum dila dami inata kana wolle exploit because niaje nyin corruption of fonga siata na bankoto everybody wants to say ko ngandi o samba private school le ngam wole je muliyalonko ako Marina International School just nursery school you pay 53,000 pour nursery school dindingo for the whole year. Yeah, imagine new way nursery school start with 53,000. Not that for grade 12. You are just a mere civil servant. Itabo kono bondi la muntole. Corruption o te banna non na bankoto. Ninko nyanta corruption o le banna nyanta fengol le bondi la na bankoto. Buya longo wole ka cause moli corrupt. Because every civil servant, teacher soul Jamal be konoje, ni minister, director ni bol, I be dingol be in private schools all leto. And most of them ila salary nying amang fancy. Ika ukodo bondi muntole pour kanyi mol bejo. Hama pour kanyi school fees oljo. Ngano iman dinkilin soto dimfula din saba. Ye be dun di private school. Ibe munekela. Obviously fo isa mansala kodo sunya. So kuol muliyalonko wole nyanta kantol samba nyato. Mol nyanta diamula wukuol lela. Wukuol lang kuti muliyalonko Gambianol buka diamol. Gambianol be diamol start la anytime abatar la karte fay wato le sita. Everybody way la platform mo yella. You want to talk about politics. But muliyalonko what is the main problem of Gambia? Wubuka discuss. Because ni political party do fana nata ni taptaji, the problems are still there. They are going to maintain. We are going to maintain this problem. But as long as many problem or ning fight, nga long koning problem, these are the root problem of our country. Nga wol bondi je nge yurol sulol wutu nge sulol wutu nge bondi nge fight wutu hani modo nata. We are going to still be in the same problem. Because of corruption or ning is the order of the day in Gambia. Abalafa warta fo Gambia nol mbe sirin ka moyko na Gambia dulal nyimbe lose lakang wo dulal la to foreigners to molmul ya lonko wolman intelligent katambin tolti wolman competent katambin tolti mbe sirin mbandering ngaje molmul ya lonko wollom university electorality mulyal wolmu professionality dunia dula dolbe wol saban naka foko alnan tolla sateto ntolle sulatal bayal tolbe Gambia munto Gambia nol mal tol nafaje e mal nafa long ital makoyla womukuti mu ya lonko womukuti mu ya lonko abalafa warata. And as long as mbuka si kana bankola kuo kachaka jibe nyanta solution jumale nyinina because diamo siatale nganum problem on mulbe Gambia ngamira hani dena on mulbe nursery school fango ya lon. As long as we don't talk about these problems, the problems are going to be staying forever with us, no matter President Jumaye wale nati, no matter Mansakunda Jumale nata. So womu kuti muya lonko bi alnga nyo encourage in every platform, in every media house, nkadiamo on this thing la. Television ol ni radio mulia lonko wolle be Gambia, wol kadiamo politiko da malla, but the problem ol mulia lonko wollong current problem in Gambia, they never bother themselves to talk about those problems because of wol mol wolle betol sponsor la, wolle ketol la radio function day, la television ol function day. Just because to look for sponsors, way at Nandi, it be you don't want to talk about the thing mulia lonko wolle betela banko sambala nyato. This is just selfishness. Na banko nying fango mol selfish ta wolle fango siata. Adiamo siata ala jahalo warata. Albe sila nyadi le aliaje ko banku mume teacher man soto. Ibe primary 1 nim primary 2 join la. Pour a classroom cleaning yake. Gambia Methodist ikafu nyadi le for Catholic school or Methodist school mulbe banjula
What school flow you will enjoy. Be at the teacher soul mang activities in Ibuka create no put in dindingole. Dinding dol buka funti pitila. Because of me pitila classes dol ka foko ike stop le. Kabri ye poro ni wafulong bang fo ye poro ni privatize lombang le you will bondi wo school auto ye samba ni school auto iko yo kalbe tar la jele few months rek yal bondi say wol fele almost like 3 years say school fele be ñokam bamal be siring ye wolje ya lonko idingol man taraka right now e man taraka proper education ñing soto bari mote hani la kadiam because iba fele lako ni diamu te ba fele tele mo jawoti ni diamu te ba fele karel bari ni man diamu na problem wol na banko ko na be solve
No, sister Panta, yalo muneketa, comme ya mingi Ibrahima Sanyala.
yeah
Ni diamuta ye bondi dokola, ikastilale. So ila corruption o Kenya, itol fango yalo ne ka Kenyani. If you can read between the lines in Gambia, we celebrate thieves. Ntolka sunya ran le celebrate mi yalonko, ika kodo sunya ila official to, ika di banku di wala pur wol kana femfono pur ni la kuol fintita, pur wol kana diamu. So ntolka wole celebrate bi. So ika jele Gambia banko mol man le fanna. Modu nyanta le ye le fanna. Ya jele hadama dinga ni man le fanna, ika ke jongoleti. Joya man na ko karilum jongoti karilum foroti. Joya man tambiye tara ke monyo dogo kan. Na lampanna, special in tol musul. Sister Panta, ni corruption o mimbe system okono is too much. Come here for Nyame Marina International School, for an example. Sorry to mention that school. School fees 50,000. Ite mari be dokola ite la 1 year salary man 50,000 pounds. Ite dinkiling dim fula Gambia mo pure moje jay dinkiling soto woman sonea dinkiling fula sababe bulo kono ibe school da jawol jola wolye ibe moto da jawo borindila wolye so ite ole fam ko sika afako kari bale fututa wo kari ba man futu aba la ko dole takan aba spend kan ala dimbayat nyenne atina dol bije buka happy karamul to nyin private school on nyagol wolte they will never feel sorry for us because one man to long in tol mangulu be nenta kombe kukelela ninga mire badi ngola ngamini lom personal inta kelela no because nyolongo le bije but in tolla nyolongo fanan ka nyodo mo wole nyama it's very sad ya je ko kol min be kekan education system o kono nyintindi wala mun na sama alfalti ngan singola wo kan ba ma wala nyaki jo kodo ikata musol futu wala dolbe ke wol ne anyini na la musola manke ke wol da mala side de muso small le fa gena dangerous tani government because janne mol ka lon ko muso small ti a try dura belete ibe akorda lo ka ibe ko wol kela do ba dingol bije wol man fel soto no ibe min dine ba dingol la andu ibe la ko do hosul kay kata na ko to sister Fanta yinna to tala suba juno le ka wuli ingen fe mo sifa be le ka bo ibe ngin si lol kan e ka to ke la na ki jibo
ajibe wo ke wa yin from Mr. Lee tolo ite ka over 2 million plus ka wo dundi ite fango la own private account to mansala kodo
Haulana yano ngafo jane ko nintol fata ika for rest in peace. Hey, jani mbete rest in peace lade. Ngata ninga siratu tele woto de mbalon na le ko minu ba fututa ni minu ba man futu. Because minu ya government la kodo domo. Ya mansa mol la kodo domo ye banku dingo la kodo domo is too much. It's a I think intol na life dedicate like diamu na banku dingol ye toyala na diamu because min dol bije e kanyen platform on min be for iktafola because ike jole comme ya fo nyame ni to me to jo ite fem fono la minka banko samba because e ka sponsor la nyini wol bulo kono ni aje nga fo e ko hani bribe ni ka bribe ta ibuka to nya fono nyine atina jamano balanta bribe
mela diamo kunto bari kabinte nga start what time mo na nga wo video do bondi no man fo mo hakilo sama wala ite or anyone kabinte ina bondi no foye jona foye TikTok do ta jang pour ka joko dola $20,000 pour woye na ka fo konte nga mum fo wuli yalom fan yalom to nyata ko kon malom foye wo video jela wala foye hakilo ya male momo ye hakilo yo ma wo mari kabente ba reply la ka respond fo na telephone tale nga call direct call la na dia ko tay mon tema lonko ni mari ka ni kusi falle because what time on I don't even know the media munka kama je jumala jumate mang interested on what time on but what time on start but be ninga o marije na la conversation o bembulole nga safe mun na be bembulole nga lung ay atem mun ke non pour kana ka jiko ka lo ka fuko ninka mun fo fanialom because of ateye mo followers soto
yeah sister no video remember that.
Yeah, atika balu wokodola. Yeah, what ya remember le kodi? Atika balu wokodola because nkaje akawo sifal da maleke. So kabin nga realize ko okay, ning atela life mo nyinate. Wala tinandi he was ready pour ka lo ka fako je $20,000 sidintala nga faniala banko dingol beka. Iti ya jeko nimol abenna banko dingol electric campagne. Wolon kodi aduna ta jande sanyin ayafo. Mo iko dignity la soro ila banko inyanta wole kanola ka tambi kodoti mo yalo ko bibe wole dile le yatomo soma e bang yini na kodo because adu sita jenne 9 months imajo kodo baka ta fadi ma di wole la lopitan kata lo banta lopitan bunda to pour yaso ka sal yaso do morola do mundo mal akumbota farabul bari bi alhamdulillah ya kala do doto so ning lack of patriotism in our country lack of love for our country because ni tol be ka foko ha banko ni ko palina anene te palina I told mu be diamo la je fo be fennati la leba dolle yake dahata but independence fana ko Rome was not built in one day so thing process long ni tol be ngamuta mbe futala wallahi lafta kata dame nganu pol mu yalla ko wolli be tamakan na banko to be assemble be talala katun ko ya jele ko these people we split le apart e manke kan nyola kairola iman la fi nyola nyato tala iman la fi la bankola fo ya tunandi luntangol muliya lonko yata nan ntol ka jele luntangol ni wol nate ka nyomuta nyame na banko ntol banko di won tol ta sonna ka nyomuta wonyama fo ko muliya lonko ni ko kari